We have a Stihl MS200. The cord won't go back. Pull start cord won't go back. This saw's got less than 20 hours on it. It's a nice little saw. I like it very much. Good weight, good balance to it, and so on. It's got lots of power for its size. Just very disappointed that after only 20 hours, start cord is not retracting. So we're going to take it apart, and we're going to see what the problem was. If we have a look right here, you see there's a burn mark. I don't recall being anywhere near a fire where that could have burnt. So we're going to take this cover off, and we'll see if that has anything to do with it, or if it's something else. We will see. Okay, just got the cover off using the Torx type screwdriver, and just pull the cover off here now. And this is what we have underneath. See the lines all bungled up there, and inside a little bit of gunk and so on, but it doesn't look too bad. So we will try to straighten that mess out and see what caused that in the first place. Okay, well, we took it apart, we cleaned it up a little bit, and found that the spring actually still intact. Somehow the rope must have come off, and we rewound the spring, wound the handle back on. It was just fine. So we're going to put a little bit of grease, a little bit of oil in there. I don't see any other way to oil it without taking it all apart. And anybody that's done these springs is well aware of what a bitch it is to get back together again. So we'll just try and put some oil in there. You can get some in there. Oh, there we go. And it's stuck. Yeah, look at that, eh? Oh shoot, looks like I gotta take it apart anyway, huh? Yeah, so that's something wrong with the bushing in there, yeah? Yeah, look at that. Yep. Something's heating up, it looks like. So shoot, I gotta take the darn thing off. Heck. Okay, well, it's not gonna be fun. Shoot. Okay. Take note of how it goes together. Oh boy, that's going to be a real bitch to get back into. Oh well, you know anything about it. Tell you what, let's get a close-up of this so I can figure out how to get the darn thing back together again. So you can see the little clip right there. Gonna come off. Okay, there it's off, and we can see little plastic bushing there, rubbered against the inside of that plastic bushing. So that's obviously what is sticking. So we're gonna put a little bit of red tacky, a plug for red tack, and put some goop on, like so, and a little bit inside for good measure. Okay, let's put that back on. Let's see the alignment. A little tit down here I see, so it's going to be about like that. We'll see if we can get it on. Hey, look at that. Hey, that was easy. Okay, put the washer back on, like so. Now, how did that go? No, it went like that, right? Does that look right? Something like that one. Okay, how's that? Okay, that looks like it's on good. Okay, so it looks like I didn't need to take that off after all. Let's try burning that in a little bit. Okay, that's good. Alrighty, now I went in like so. Now I'm going to line it up like that. Okay, tiny little knot. That's too small. Okay, same size as that, more or less. Okay, let's go back like that. Now, we need to go line this back on again. Okay, so I'm going to line this back on. Okay. Okay, how's that? Ooh, that feels better. Ooh, that feels a lot better. Ooh, a lot more positive too. Okay, there we go. Okay, get that out of the way. Alright, put this back together. And tiny drop of oil on the metal ones. Now it's going to go in like that. Some screws are, you can see that, some go into plastic, some go into metal. So it looks to me like the plastic ones are the aft ones, and the metal ones are the forward ones. Darn, I did get that washer back in, did I? Yes, I did. Okay. Now, put that down fully. Yes, okay. Fancy pants Torx. Not fully. Okay. Okay, try that. Now, the burn spot is right here. I don't see any signs inside of anything burnt. All right, safety glasses are on. Bar lock is on. Okay, well that worked well. Chain is a bit on the slack side. Let's tighten up the chain. Put these tools back. Oh, look at that. What's that size say? 19. I should have known that, eh? Okay, just slacken that off a little bit. Holy shit, I did that up way too tight. Okay, and where's the adjuster? Ah, there it is. Screwdriver. Come on. The flat blade screwdriver in here somewhere, surely. Try that one. Okay. Actually, yeah, a little bit tighter than it used to be. A little bit tighter. As it heats up, it'll get a bit slacker anyway. Okay. Okay, put the tip up the bar a little bit. Check it again. Okay. Good. And let's see what we got in the way of holding the gas in here. It's half full. We'll top it up a little bit. Okay, and oil. Just using gear oil because that's happened to be what I have some of that I probably won't use for a long time. Not really the type of oil you should be using, but it's good enough. Good enough for this application. Okay, get that seated. That doesn't look right. Try that again. There we go. Still a little over. Okay, and over here, air cleaner. Turn it around so you can see it. What do we got for air cleaner here? Oof, that doesn't look very nice. So we blow that over here too. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good. All right, let's do that one more time to be absolutely certain we're good. Okay, no problem. Well, that fixed that. Let's put the that back on. So we used a chainsaw yesterday to cut the blocks for the boat. Give you a quick tour of what the boat looks like. Okay, there it is. 30-foot trawler. I'll show you the state of the bottom when we hold it out. And you see all that growth. My gosh. So today's task is to scrape it all clean. Through hole fitting. Sounder wasn't getting a signal. I can see why. With all that growth on it, I'm surprised it gets anywhere at all. There's the screen for the pickup for the fire pump. I'll show you that later. Anode, almost completely gone. Stainless steel propeller. Not very stainless at the moment. And rudder. It's not a rudder. It must be aluminum rudder, I suppose. So, lots and lots of growth. Anode again. So on. Picture of the blocking. Okay, so that's the before picture. So we're going to scrape it today. I'm not sure if we're going to get power wash today. I'm going to go rent a power washer. Good, powerful, hot one to do the engine as well. Get it all nice and clean inside. So, cool looking little boat.